Frank, obviously you've got the beast that is Anthony Davis in town with leads the league in blocks, third leading scorer. What do you do differently to prepare for an athletic player like that?
Just try to get familiar with him on tape. Because he's such a unique player with his quickness and athleticism at that size, combined with his shot making, his ability to shoot the ball from the perimeter. There's really nobody else in the game like him. So it's just a matter of these guys have played with him, played against him some, but in terms of getting ready for him, it's really just about trying to watch the extra tape.
Outside of